Somebody asked me recently why there's no second video for the chuck restoration, and truth of the matter is, I've been avoiding it. And the reason for it is crack. Not the crack you're thinking of right now, but you'll see when I take it out of the box. So, as I was getting all the rust off and all the dirt, I noticed, and I'll get you a close-up. As you can see, there's a nice crack going through it. So, not much that can do about it. So, I've been avoiding it because every time I look at it, it just annoys me. So I have a tendency of pushing this plastic container, well, kick it, more like it. So I figured time to show you. Obviously this is not something that you should ever put on a lathe, but I'm thinking maybe make something else with it, something that doesn't require that much, maybe just like a positioning, maybe like a chuck for a welding rotary table or something like that. That would probably be doable, but for a lathe or a mill or anything like that, yeah, this is not safe. So that's basically it. That's my crack story. Have a good day.